If a patient is prescribed 900 mils of this stuff over 7 hours via an IV set which delivers 15 drops per mil, what's the drip rate in drops per minute? Right? The drip rate equals total drops divided by total minutes. Right? Now, we've a total amount here the patient has to receive is 900 mils. And there's 15 drops per mil. So for each of those 900, you need 15 drops. So total drops is going to be 15 multiplied by 900. Divided by total minutes, 7 hours. And that's 60 minutes for each hour. So that's our calculation ready to go. Now we need, we're going to cancel above and below by 10, so knock off a 0 there and a 0 there. And now what do we have? 6, 90 there. We can divide 6 into, or can we divide 3 into 90? And then we get 30. And 3 into 6 and we get 2. So now we have 15 times 30 over 7 times 2. 30 is an even number. 2 into 2 goes once. 2 into 30 goes 15 times. So now we're left with 15 multiplied by 15 on top. And down below 7 times 1 is 7. Now, what's 15 times 15? Let's do it here. 5 5s is 25. Put down the 5 and carry the 2. 5 1s are 5 and 2 is 7. So now down to 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. We add them up. 7 and 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 225. So we have 225 on top divided by 7. So let's set that up. Short division style. So we have 225.00. We normally go to the nearest whole drop for our answer here. 7 into 22 goes 3 times and 1 over. 7 into 15 goes twice and 1 over. Bring down the decimal point. 7 into 10 goes once and 3 over. So it's 32.1 something. So it's the nearest whole drop. That 0.1 is less than a 5. The 1 is less than a 5. So we round down and we get an answer of 32 drops per minute.